A wooden rake will let him spread the rice evenly over the mat, so every grain dries properly. Over the next few days, the heat will draw out all the water inside. Now comes the hardest part. Each grain of rice is wrapped in a tough, inedible skin called a hull. It's incredibly tough and won't come off without a fight, so he needs a way to break it. He begins by carving a massive, heavy wooden bowl, a mortar. The rice will go inside, to be pounded by a hammer until the hulls break away. That mortar will have to withstand hundreds of powerful blows, so he uses fire to harden the wood, an ancient technique that makes the surface incredibly tough and resistant to cracking. Pounding all that rice by hand is too hard, so he engineers a foot-powered trip hammer.